Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to film a different video, but I'm just in shambles right now. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, then you don't know why I've been gone so long. But my baby Dash, this fella right, oh no, this side right here, he had to have emergency surgery. So I was in complete shambles. This is the second time he's had to have emergency surgery because he's eaten something. And surgery ain't cheap. $5,000 a pop to be exact. So this is now the most expensive thing I own other than my car, my $10,000 dog, who was free because he was adopted originally. So yeah, he had to have emergency surgery, and of course I was in shambles. You guys know I love Dash as though I birthed him. So I've just been taking care of him, and just everything has been shambles. I've been packing, and I mean, it's been so much. I cut all my nails off, you guys. Look at this. Have you ever even seen my hands like this? Well, I broke 3 nails, and then I was so over it, I just like cut all of them down to like just like the whites like here, but like these I actually broke. You see the difference? Like my hands don't even look the same. They look like boy hands now. I've always had long nails, so the fact that I don't now is so weird, but I'm just trying to get it together. I'm just trying to manage. But anyways, you guys aren't here for that. You are here for an unboxing, and I decided to do this because I knew that you guys liked the last unboxing I did, which was from Shea Moisture. So this is from Taliah Waajid, and I'm so excited because, as mentioned before, there's one of their products that I absolutely obsess over. I get it from Walgreens. It's called the Curly Curl Cream, and I also did try their foam wrap lotion, but I wasn't a fan of it like at all. I thought it didn't have any hold. So I've had this package for about 2 weeks now, and I haven't even unboxed it. That is how crazy my life has been, but I did want to unbox it on camera with you guys because you seem to like them. So without further ado, let's get into it. All right, so it's a small box, but she's pretty solid. So let's see what's in here. In normal Danielle fashion, I don't have a proper item to open it with, so we're gonna open it with this. See what's the easiest way. This end up. Okay, see, this is doable. This is doable. All right, see what we got here. And just in case I don't want anyone to have a coronary, my nails grow like super fast. So honestly, like by the weekend, well, today's Tuesday. Yeah, by next Tuesday at the latest, they'll be back to a reasonable length. So I'm not like panicking. I just have boy hands now, you know? Yeah, so here we go. All right, so this is not an item. Neither is this. Oh, and also one of the items I'm hoping is in here is one that my sister told me about. It's in like a little orange jar container. I'd never seen it before, but she swears by it, and she lays it on her edges, and they are snatched and no flakage or anything. So I'm hoping they sent me that, but she says she thinks it might have been discontinued because she can't find it where she normally gets it from. I think she normally gets it from Walmart, and you know, I don't shop there, so I would never get it. So yeah. All right. Ooh, oh, okay. This is the Protective Styles line, and this is the Bamboo Biotin and Basil Strengthening Leave-In Conditioner. Okay, with aloe, coconut milk, and sunflower seed oil. Okay. Okay. Oh, it smells like earthy but lemony. Like it smells like I walked into a Lush store. Like it smells like, oh my gosh, what's that thing? Buffy from Lush. That's what it smells like to me. Also, Angels on Bare Skin. It smells like that. Y'all know I love smells. So it says it's intense moisture. It gives you a treatment with maximum protection. So yeah, we'll see. I'm excited about this. So excited. All right. Next item is also from the Protective Styles line. It's the Thick and Full Bamboo and Coconut Milk. I'm obsessed with the applicator for this. You can get right to the scalp. Hello. Okay. Do you then, boo-boo? Sorry, my lighting's probably going in and out. Do you, boo-boo? Do you? All right, care for your hair underneath. Protective styles, weaves, braids, wigs, crochet updos, 2-strand twist, and faux locks. Okay, so you guys know I don't really do like long-term protective styles, and what I mean by that is I very rarely style my hair with synthetic hair. I occasionally do, like if I'm going on vacation and nobody has time to be doing their hair, but it's maybe like twice a year, maybe twice, probably only once. So I will definitely be using this for me just being lazy, and also me just wanting to try it as a shampoo instead of worrying about, you know, using it for protective styles only. But I'm here for the applicator, so if you do have any protective styles, you can just get straight to the source. Straight to the source. Facts. Be money. I'm hungry, so I'm just being outrageous. Okay, I think it's safe to say it's all from the protective styles line. Watch they try and like play me and I pull something else from another. But this is the dry gel shampoo. I don't even know what this is, but I'm immediately intrigued. Avocado, peppermint, and witch hazel. Stop your lies. Gently cleanses, refreshes scalp, will not disturb hairstyle. Well, what's the difference? I want to know. I don't understand, but I like, oh, well, one's a, okay. One, I'm assuming you don't, it's a dry shampoo, girl, so yes, you don't need water. I've never seen anything, oh my god. I've never seen anything. Have y'all ever heard of anything like this? Who wants a review on this? Because I want to review it. Shut up, a dry gel shampoo. And you guys, it's like, it's a gel consistency. Let's see. Oh, it probably has a, hold on. Hold please. Just kidding. You guys, it's an actual factual, look at that gel. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. I'm so unlike you. Girl. Oh my god, I couldn't even like tap on it because I don't have a nail. I'll see you next week, nails. Alright, this is a restoring serum from the same line. This has aloe and shea. Daily conditioning treatment prevents dryness and damage. I should probably be using this for now. Hi, so real quick, just wanted to drop something out there. Raise your hand if you haven't washed your hair in almost 5 weeks. It's disgusting, I know, but oddly enough, my scalp still smells amazing. I know, like, no type of moisture is getting to... Y'all don't understand what I've been going through. Y'all don't even know. Okay. I'm here for this because I've definitely been like bunning it up lately and not really doing my hair. So this will prompt me to actually do my hair. Like I've rinsed it in that time. Don't get me wrong, but like it hasn't been a proper wash. Just so we're clear. Not a proper wash. Okay, I'm here for it. Hey, Taliah. Right? Can you get up off my neck? All right. Grow Hair Grow Bamboo and Coconut Milk Growth Oil. Works on all hair textures, promotes strong, healthy, shiny hair. I'm obsessed with oils. So, you had me at oil. See what this smell like. It has that nice, earthy, lush smell that I'm here for. I feel like I'm just, I don't know. I'm in touch with my ancestors when I use products like this. Is that weird? Am I the only one who gets that vibe? But, hey, oil. Coming for you, boo. Oh, see, they gave me a packing slip with everything. But no, I want to be surprised. I don't want to read the packing slip. Damn, they sent me... Thank you guys so much for sending... Y'all... Ah. Oh, I have been seeing this all over the interwebs. This is the green apple and aloe with coconut nutrition shampoo with silk protein. You better shut your mouth. I've been seeing this all over the interwebs. Oh my god, it smells like a What's wrong, dude? You okay, boo-boosh? You saying hi to the camera? Let me show you how sad he looks. Oh, he doesn't want to be seen. Look at him, you guys. He's so over it and that stupid cone. My poor baby. So yeah. Anyway, oh my gosh, this makes me thirsty. Like, I don't know, like thirsty, but my mouth also waters like the tartness from a green apple, like a Granny Smith. Hello. Or I may have to review this tonight. Like the video won't be up tonight, but I'm saying I might have to wash my hair with this tonight. Girl, green apple nutrients strengthen and balance pH for optimal hair and scalp health. Aloe nutrients repair hair and scalp. You okay, blue dude? Coconut nutrients moisturize and soften hair. Yes. She's getting a review. I don't care if you want it or not. It's happening. She's happening. She's happening. I mean, I still have like a ton of stuff over here that I need to review. Okay, the leave-in conditioner from the line too. Seals moisture with vitamins, mineral fiber, and protein for softer. Is he tired of hearing my voice? Did y'all just hear that sigh? Or, you know. Same smell. I am so here. I'm so hyped for this. Like, y'all know I love new products, and I just love stuff that's different. Like, this is just different from, I can't think of any other product that has the green apple. Like, I love shit like this. Love it. This is an anti-itch serum. You know what? I don't deal with itchy scalp that much, but when I do, she's brutal. So the itch will come eventually. That sounds weird. My itchy scalp will happen eventually, so I'm gonna try this out, because some of the itchy scalp serums and stuff, I feel like they don't really work. So I really do want to know if this is soothing or not. It has peppermint, so yeah, this is Ditch the Itch Bamboo Basil and Peppermint with Aloe and Shea Anti-Itch Serum. Soothes itching and dry scalp, conditions and restores, seals and moistures. Oh my gosh, I am a complete mess. I am in shambles, y'all. Shambles. Okay. Edge growth, but does it control the edges? This is called Hairline Help. 2-in-1 Plus aids in repairing and restoring damaged thinning areas. Use on edges to blend styles. I hate stuff like this because I feel like they never work. Damn, I love that smell though. It's that earthy smell. I'm loving the bamboo smell. I'll let you know. You guys know I don't use like edge controls ever, like at all. So I'll let you know how she fares. I'll let you know how she fares. And last but certainly not least, and I'm super hyped for this, this is the Green Apple Aloe with Coconut Nutrition Curl Definer. Create longer lasting, more defined curls, fortified with vitamins, minerals, fiber, and protein. I just want to see the consistency. Oh, oh, Shawty is thick. Oh. Did she come to play with us? Did she? Just, if I could just. Okay, she is dense. She is thick. What? Rice and cabbage. Okay. This is not what this is meant for, but I kind of like the smell, so we're just gonna blend that on in. Oh my gosh. It's such like a light, like it's like almost apple. Like it's just like an insinuation of an apple, right? Like just enough for reasonable doubt that there possibly was apple that just passed you by. Like, is there an apple? I was about to say an apple orchard. Do apples grow in orchards? Yeah. Is there like an apple orchard near? Like that's the vibe I'm getting. Like, is there? Could there be? Maybe there is. Okay, first of all, see, this is why. Just get stuff everywhere. Okay, so as to not waste any more product than I already have. All right, so yeah, that is it. I got so many things. I can't believe, can you believe all that fit in this box? Like, girl, talk about efficient packaging. Efficacy. I'm here for it. So yeah, those are all the items I received. Let me know which ones you guys want to see me review first. I kind of think I want to try the apple and aloe line. I'm super hyped about that first, but whatever wins, whatever has the most comments below, that is what I will review first for you guys. I have not forgotten about the Garnier. I promise you, boy. I promise. Like I said, I mean, look at my room. My bed isn't made up. My dog is recovering. My nails are in shambles. I don't even have my little glammy lights on. Like, I have like 3 blazers in my chair that I need to hang up. Like, I just cannot right now. So, but I had to film because it's been like a week since my last video. So yeah. Wait, it's been longer than a week. I didn't have a video up last Tuesday. It's been a week and a half. So no, it's been 2 weeks. But I only skipped a week. Dang. Anyways, I hope you guys, no, it has not been since last, it's been a week and a half, like whatever. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like if you like the video, comment down below with what you want to see me try next, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Go ahead and join the family. Y'all know it's cookout season. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.